Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. For more so a bigger picture perspective, so far so good. I say that because this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past, but I talked about this orange trend line right here. So that's why I say so far so good, because the price continues to stay up above that orange line. And not only that, the price has actually been able to not even come back close to back test it, which is always a good thing. So again, not only is the price still above it, but there hasn't even been any test where the bears have tried to break through it. So things continue to work their way in the upwards direction. So that's definitely the good news. And the bad news, and I use bad news lightly because it's still, a good overall sign of things. But now the price is, continuing to hold right around this 0.023 and can't quite separate to the upside. Once again, I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past. But if you have, you know that I've talked about, 0.023 as that stubborn area of resistance, and it remains stubborn. Good news, though, on that front is that on several occasions today, the price was actually able to push up through it, but the price could never quite, maintain above it. So that's still going to be kind of the thorn in the side of the chart. But like I said, the price essentially closed right at it, technically slightly above it. So the big question going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week is, A, can the price get above that level? But most importantly, can the price stay above that level? Because, yeah, several times today the price was able to break above it, but it can never quite, make a strong case in regards to staying up above it. But it's, the price is right at that breakout area, so we'll see if the bulls can make that push or not. But all in all, from a support standpoint, things are looking great. Goes back to that orange trend line. The price continues to cruise up above it. And now it's just a question of, again, can the price finally push above and then stay above 0.023? We shall see, but the week is young, still 3 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.